Yeah, drinking 3 bottles of water all of a sudden before starting the stream was a mistake. I feel that my chest is filled with water all of a sudden. Welcome back, everyone. But actually, it reflects my real mood. I was trying to be sherry, dairy, leery, dairy, ziri, beery, but yeah. Um. So what's going on today? Yesterday, I slept way too late, and this is starting to become a bad habit because since I started playing Tekken, first time I uploaded a video finishing Tekken in hard mode, and since then I really feel like wanna play at night after I finish work. And I finish work because I start late, I end my work late, and crap. Yesterday I made 6 hours of work and I'm happy with that, but today I waked up late, start doing chores, finish the chores and start working, right? Haha, nope. I took a nap. And after I woke up, I immediately start working, right? Nope. I was struggling and procrastinating. So I'm going to use the secret technique. Secret no break working technique, which is streaming. I'm going to stream my work for at least 3 or 4 hours today. And screw playing today. It seems I'm not going to play today or something. Because after that, I need to go to the supermarket to buy something to drink. So before we do anything, I would like to show you the final result for the conversation system. And there you go. We have the invisible text, so the text will start from after the image, and we add the image of the speaker so you can feel he's talking. And I'm really happy with the result. Not only that, we fixed the Arabic choices, and I made the Arabic one take the screen on the right side. Very beautiful. I love it. And I tried to fix the Arabic sizes by making a comparison between the two in the test project. So what did I do? I add a huge screen of the texts. And I try to make a better comparison between the two. Oh, by the way, when I OBS this, does it show? I remember it doesn't. Oops. Oops. I remember to screw up with OBS. Oh, this is shader test. I'm not sure if the footage was. Yeah, I completely forgot, but I remembered all of a sudden that OBS screwed up when I tried to capture the window, and look at that. And now we completely screwed up. Beautiful. Sorry about that. So I forgot, and thanks God I remembered, because OBS was on the same screen that I was capturing on. I remembered from memory. But if I put it on full screen, you can see the rest of the test for all the sizes, 16 units. And I tried as much as possible. Actually, I took a print screen of the screen off. I just captured the screen and copied the text in here and got it closer. The first three, yeah, this one is a little bit bigger than this one, and it's obvious from here. Some of them, the Arabic is like this one is a little slightly bigger than this one. So, but oh well. Oh well. So what next? What next? What next? Yesterday I read a lot about what do you call it? Effects, FX effects, shaders. Yes, that's what's called. And it will take some work to make all the entities in my game engine to support shaders. I didn't program my game engine like the other people, that everything is a particle. But I believe the units of the... Yeah, I need to twist some of the stuff, like fire bullets is not a particle. So let's open the stupid test to do task list. Now you know why I start the stream, because I'm a little bit confused and I need to force myself to work. When I'm way too confused like this, I feel like I want to do anything in the world and start thinking and working. So the first thing we will do, play some music. Excuse me. From the beginning, please. Second of all, I want to make an image. Fuck. Typing on YouTube tab, yeah. Genius. By the way, is the microphone working? I love it when the microphone is not detecting my voice. It seems it does, so thanks God. So, add an image that have different colors. Test that in the test 2 for maps transitions. This will be part of the event system later on, but for now I'm going to do some dirty work, hard-coded some of the part, and we will see about that. Reuse them to make a shader. Not a shader, to make a shade to the conversation. Great. So we will try to do these 3. This step alone might take like 30 minutes. Oh god, I hate that. But hey, let's start doing work. So let's start out the timers. And we start working. So first of all, let's go to the image folder. And this will be part of the FX folder. And let's call it cover. So this is my silly GUI page. We don't need a grid for this, neither a name, neither an edit. We need to change the what have I done? We need to change the canvas a little bit. And it should be 800 by 2 and 600 by 2. Now I need to select 800 by 600. Alright. And this one will be pure black. The second one should be I'm not sure how I'm going to draw this effect. Why it's not Did I already screwed up the calculation? It says this one is 800 by 601. I already screwed up the calculation. Congratulations. It should be 800 by 600. So if I decrease it by 1. It should be the end of the screen. Good. This one, I wanted to have a transparent eye in the middle. So if I do this, and do this, and I have no clue. It should be 800 plus 400 is 1200, and 300 at Y. Maybe if I make it 10. Why is there a circle of darkness in here? It was perfect. What happened? Why it became all of a sudden less lighter? Oh. Maybe it was my imagination. Anyway, this is good enough. This one should be on the left or the right, doesn't matter. Should be 600 plus 300 is 900. Alright, we can take this one actually, make a new layer, and flip it. Oh man, it didn't over... This is not good. No, this is not good. It didn't override over the thing. Oh great. I know, I take forever doing silly things. Oh, give me a okay. It's 1 pixel longer. So no problem. Let's do it again. Should be 900. Oh, it's the opposite this time. Doesn't matter. Let's copy it. Reverse it. Oh, great. Do you think if I cut it like here? Yeah, I figured. He didn't override over that thing, but now, yeah, he's too happy to override over it. I mean... Oh, actually it worked. Oh. The magical selector, I didn't need to calculate the crap. This seems off. What is the size? 800 by 600. But it doesn't seem in this. Doesn't seem in the center. And it seems there's a dark circle in here. Yeah, there is. What the hell? Oh well. First attempt. Let's take a look. And let's save it as a PNG. At least it didn't take half hour, as I feared. It took only 10. And now I feel sleepy and I want to go back to bed. But that's why I'm streaming, so I don't go back to bed. Alright. How should I do this now? I'm thinking to add different covers to different games. In other words, making this as part of the game file. Like making a category in here called FX. And I should add a category called FX to add effects to the game. So I can let the game engine load the image dynamically based on the info in here. But these covers, I believe I'm going to use them in all games. I'm going just to scale them based on the objects and on the screens. So I feel maybe they should be static. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the game core file. That's mean every freaking game need to have them, yeah. Which is kinda the first thing I ever done as an asset that it must exist. So it feels a little bit wrong, to be honest. And later on I need to improve this one to make the effects work on it. I'll see about that. Where do I load the stupid things? Ah, here. So here it loads the textures dynamically and assets and musics and stuff. But I'm going to this guy should, based on the platform or operating system, get a different path. So yeah, I should use it. Audio? What's in the audio? Whoops. Silly you. Alright. Now let's load it to the content as well. Can I do that? Wait a second. Actually, this thing is loading them to the content. Silly freaking you. Okay, so I should be able to use it immediately. Yeah, maybe later on I can make it partial load. If I have a lot of assets in the game too. And make a function, so organize that. So I make this into categories like section 1, section 2, and make dictionaries what to load and what to not. But not right now. For right now, I'm trying to make the game engine work. So we made the first step. I'm trying to focus on the tasks. That's why I immediately came here to see what did I say 20 minutes ago. Test that and test 2 for maps transition. How can I do that? So we have 2 places that we manipulate the drawing. The first one is in the game. The second one is the map simulator. So let me remove the rainbow crap. I'll make it gray. Does it look good as a gray? Oh, actually this is inverted. Okay. Let's remove this. So, if I want to cover everything, where should I draw that? Look at that. Drawing fire. Nope, not here. That's the old position. It should be after the boss grounds, of course. Drinking coffee and thinking. Oh, I already have events in here as well. Where are the events saved? In here. How about, think about it. If the stupid... okay, calm down. Yeah, there are workers that building stuff in 2 different places and they are both just beside my window. And there are workers upstairs as well, just to make my life smoother. Think about the covers. The whole game need only one cover to darken the screen. I don't need to add that on every map, do I? But in here, I was going to throw it in here, and this belonged to the map. I could instead do it in the test game itself, but the test game where do I throw the GUI? Main menu components. Let's go to the draw fucking freaking thing. Who call you? So the menus are drawn at the end. Okay. We should draw the cover in here. The thing is, I don't think we need one. I believe we should have like 2 of them. So the first thing I should do is make a list. Why a list? Because we want to do them in order. Do I need to make a struct? I never used a struct before. I always use classes to make a cover info. Do we really need to do that? I mean, what do I need? I need the transparency value. Maybe as a boolean, I mean byte, and the rectangle, the position of the stupid thing. So let's make a class for that. Yeah, we need a class, yeah. And let's just put it here because it needs to be a private class or whatever. But I hate private classes, so yeah, of course. screw you, dude. Screw you. Location. So we need the location type, which should be byte. Oh, let's call it cover type. And byte trans value. Trans is equal to trans value. And switch cover type. Why the music stopped? That's the last one in the list? No, it's not. Let's play this one. Should be 086. The problem is, how can I manage the transition itself? I mean, Okay, let's not dwell. Let's first make a very simple task and cover the screen with black. Don't I need a scale? Yeah, maybe I need to auto scale it. So the cover is always fixed. And we already know the size of the stupid thing. So scale is equal to new vector 2. Game core screen. Screw me. What was it? Is it in the map? I believe it's in the map class. No, that's the old position. Divided over 800. And here we do this, and in here actually all right. Now how can I manage the stupid covers? That's the question. I might need to make a general tags to do that for me, but for now we better depends on functions. I could add them on the fly, but I feel that's a little bit no. Well, the most silly thing we can do is do you really want to do that? Well, I usually prefer to have the static functions at the top. This is a different story, I guess. Well, instead of making clones, we could instead take a list of tuples. Or to the list of bytes or whatever. CDK, item 1, CDK, item 2. Happy now? Alright. So, in this game 2, if we click on yeah, I start to feel dizzy. I need more coffee. But I need to finish 20 minutes of work first. Let's make it F8. So we want a cover of type 0 or was it 1? Zero. And its transparency is 0. Can't I just do this? Maybe that's the newer C# or whatever. What's left is to print it. So the texture should be fixed. But wait a minute, how did, what did I call it? I believe it's not cold at all. Give me a second. I believe it's not cold at all. Can we have censorship? No. We added, silly me. No. Here, we add it in the function when we load it. So actually we add the file and load the texture at the same time. And use the reference of the texture that's loaded to the dictionary. Damn smooth, if you ask me. This one should be 0, 0. But the source is SDK. What the heck? Okay, calm down. Let's take a look on the one from menu component. No, this is a string. Here. It uses a vector, yeah. Then a rectangle. Then transparency. Calm down. Copy this. I want the scale too. Okay, let's test it. So if I click F8, nothing fucking happened. There you go. 0, 0. This is the resource. The trans is 0. Is that why? Let's. Actually, I can even add it on the background. Oh, look at that. Trans is 0 became 0, so it's the opposite. Okay. So let's return the trans. And when we click F8, we make it 1. Look at that. We update the size, but it didn't update with it, and there where we use the update scrap. So let's go to the game core and let's go to the update. Set screen. So here, event manager, scale update. What happened here? I hate this noise. Why the calm down. There's stupid stuff going on here. The positions of the stupid things. I don't know how it's fucked up like this. I need to adjust the positions later. Oh, freaking me. I made the update before the applied changes. Okay. I could steal the sizes and send them as a parameter instead, but or use set camera W. Oh man. I really don't want to use that because that variable is used for different purposes. Yeah. What am I doing? What am I doing? Alright. I thought I'm still have the copy of the ints. What? No. Oh, that's why. Okay. Oh, I pressed full screen. Now everything's fucked up. And OBS. It's not weird. Is it because of full screen, I wonder? Or is my calculation fucked up? Yeah, keep knocking on the wall. Frickin'. Okay, calm down. Where the fuck were we? That means scale 2, and that means the scale is 1.5. Oh, fuck me. I just noticed that both of them are frickin' integers. Finally. Yep. It didn't save the float numbers. Now what we are going to do, let me just make myself feel a little bit better. Throw the covers on the screen. I'll just add a task to feel, oh, I spent the last 30 minutes doing something. Okay, calm down. I'm just a little bit on fire. Fire of anger, of course. Test that in the test 2 for map transition. So instead, make a symbol transition. So what I'm going to do in the next few seconds, I mean after the break, is start using the stupid time manager, the threads. I'm going to add a thread that shift the transition a little bit and make the screens get darker or get transparent. So if this guy just stopped knocking, okay. Did the music change or something? Yep. Because we are getting mad a little bit, let's play a calm music. So time manager, where is the stupid time manager? It's in the map folder. Time manager, hello. So the time manager is a guy. He's responsible on dealing with threads. I have made few of them in the arcade game. I might make it as a major thread that's never stop running, but maybe that's a bad idea. Let's make it a minor. But we will think about that after break. For now, let's make 10 minutes break. I'm going to make some coffee, get my anger a little bit out. Push out. I need to be calm. We'll see about that. sandwiches at least. Jam and cheese sandwiches. Oh, I have 1 minute left. Yeah, there's no way I can make 2 cheese and jam sandwiches and eat them with coffee in 50 seconds. So if you excuse me, I'm going to take more time. Like 2 minutes. Hopefully the music helps for waiting. Yeah, even though I said 3 hours no break work, I didn't mean the 10 minutes break work. These are still included. Because unfortunately, recently I started taking around 30 minutes of break every hour, if not more, and this stopped bothering me. Okay, I just finished making the sandwiches. How about you join me in eating them? I will try to eat them in 3 minutes. So even if I have people that watch, even if I have viewers, I will guarantee to lose them now. Which I kept saying that I'm not making these videos. I gave up to track viewers. I'm making them for myself mostly now. I was up and I still have half sandwich. And that's why, ladies and gentlemen, I stop the working timer when I take a break. Because sometimes I take much more than I expected. Sorry to keep you waiting. So let's start the 60 minutes of work. So we need to do a few things. First of all, it seems the transmitter to be float. Because I'm floating. Excuse me. This is the first step. The second step we might need another value to increment and decrement another float. So is the microphone on? The microphone's on. Is the super chat is on? It says it's not connected. Seems it's on. So let's test this. Will it scrub anything? So what's the next step? I could make a function that take a string instead of these values. So actually, let's do that first. So what I'm doing, I'm making a tokenizer that take a string and separate it and make covers. In short. I believe float doesn't get parsed that easily. Yeah. Great. Yeah, I need to deal with this. I did parsing for float before, but I forgot where. I believe it was in the arcade. But I don't think it was in the Duck's shop, was it? I doubt that. Something like this. Yeah, screw me. Let's Google. I'm gonna stream little code.
Yay.
Yeah, culture info, whatever. It's to deal with the float, period or full stop or whatever. What is a game? No, I'm in the test too. And of course, I need to define this somehow. Please work. Just please remove this line. Maybe this is not the format provider. I'm too lazy to learn on that. What is this invent culture? Subcultural info. I doubt. Hooray! You cannot do even a symbol parsing. Oh. I was missing a parentheses and the compiler error was freaking out. Alright, what next? Next, let me try to do this. So instead of having this ugly thing, we should be able to do this. 0, 1F, 0F. No. Isn't that neater? And it crashed actually. Which one? That's the question. Maybe it doesn't like the F. Let me remove the if, or maybe I need a dot. So let's try to add a dot first. Maybe it doesn't like the if. Let's remove the if. Ah, there you go. I wonder if I can remove the dots and the decimal, or not the decimal, the fraction, or whatever it's called. Yeah, you can. Now we need to add the thread. Let's take a look on that. So the best place to add the thread is when we add covers, actually. Yeah, I was supposed to make this function use this function and make the thread in here, but you know what? It's easier like this. So let's make a function called and actually, yeah, we could do this. Start cover or start thread or start, what should I call it, damn it? Yeah, start cover, whatever. I'm not sure what to call it, but for now, if start cover. Now we need to add a thread. Beautiful. I have an example, so let me go and take a peek on it because I don't want to screw myself up. It's in a game I. This is where I initialize the scripts for the game. Hello. So we need a name too for it. But what if the name is taken? Doesn't check. Nope, it check at the end. What the hell, dude? Really? Oh, that's a weird way, a backhanded way to check. It actually check if it's not, it doesn't exist, it's add it. But if it exists, it just will keep on, like nothing happened. Weird. I don't know. Let's give it a silly name. Covers timer. I'm really not happy with that. Maybe I need to generate a random name every time so I don't screw it up when I... But no, when I clear the cover, it should... Yeah, I need to be careful with this. To not remove the covers before, you know... We will see about that. But for now, let's do some dirty work. Can I put it now? Can I do it now? Yep. No, we needed to add a tick one. Ow. Let's steal the syntax. Ah, I didn't type new. I need to make an interval calculation. Somehow. And it's based on the cover speeds anyway. Let's see if it crashes if I just keep clicking on 8F. Seems it didn't crash. Okay, let's make the timer do something stupid, like, system debug diagnostics debug right line test. Yeah, I haven't worked with threads for a while, so give me a break. I don't see any dust. Is the interval a little bit too long? Oh, wow. Oh, frick me. Can you imagine what's there? Oh, did I miss? I missed this one. Look at that, it's way too fast. Okay, we need to make it a little bit slower, so maybe this is in milliseconds, so let's make it 500. No, this is still way too fast. What's going on? You gotta be kidding me. Maybe I slowed down the timer? Give me a freaking second. I see. Maybe I need to depend on cycles. But how many cycles do I need? Yeah, I need to make a condition to delete the timer after it's done. I'll calculate the cycle in the correct way. Because it seems we are invoking them on every freaking tick. And instead we should use the interval or the end action tick. So if I take a look on here, man, I really want to go to bed, but no, I need to keep working. Where is it? Yeah, it's in the end action, not in the... But the funny part is, it has 0 cycle. Does this timer ever die? Maybe these timers are not killed. Check if the duck's falling timer. ever die. So anyhow, this should be here. Is it because we have 0 cycles? Too slow. Yeah, we need to find a way to kill it. But for now, we need to do something like I can make a function to do that instead of if I made a calculation based on one cover to delete the timer and the covers, it won't work because we need to find the slowest cover and take its calculation. Man, this is stupid. Oh well. Let's call it tick. The problem is we need to limit it to 1 or 0. So we can do like if that. Let's take a look. um this is fucked up. Not that smooth. And the timer is still working. Why it's not covering the whole screen? Yeah, this is totally fucked up. I could add a boolean value to stop ticking, or just keep increasing it, fuck it. Yeah, the value will keep going and going and going. Way too fast. Depends on the speed too, so what if I make it like 8 and make the speed 2? I don't know. Test. What about the opposite? If it is 0.5 and here we make it 2. Why the stupid thing is not getting the full screen? I don't get it. Do you see something stupid in here? Yeah, I didn't add the F in here. Okay, the only thing is required now is to kill off the stupid timer when it's over. We could. We could add a flag. And let me change the music. And add music. Yes, that's the best type. Let's use this somehow. Now we need to do something like delete this timer. How to do that? Yeah. I need to add it to the deleted list. Oh, let me keep this one. Fuck you. Yeah, I should be able to delete them. So either I add a function in here to delete them, to add them to the list, like happy now? Now let's give it a try. See, after it's done, it's doesn't print test anymore. Now if you notice, the screen show, I mean, not from any other side, just all of it just get uncovered. What we will try to do is to uncover it from one side, like from the right or from the left. So let's give it a try. So the trick is to add another cover that have a different speed, or at least this is what I imagine in my head. So type 1, it's in uncovered or black, and let's make it first speed, same speed for first. Let's give it a try. No, didn't work in a way I wanted. Let's make this one really slow and this one a little bit faster. No, didn't work at all. What if I just use type 1? Oh, type 1, it should be type 2. Kinda, do you see that? But it's way too slow. It show from this side faster. Let's make this one 3.5. Have the speed. Do you see that? It show up from the right more. Let's make it from the left more. But it's I expected much better than this, to be honest. Maybe if I play a little bit more with the variables. I cannot tell if it's from the left or not. So what we are going to do, we are just going to use this type. Yeah, let's start with this type, the center. Let's try the second type. From the right, I believe. Yeah, that's what I feared. That the thing is, it started uncovered from the right immediately. Actually, what if the black go faster? Now that I didn't think of. Let's make it same speed first. It seems something wrong with it. It just doesn't check. It doesn't check. Okay, calm down. I don't know. One of them finished before the other, so you feel there's something wrong all of a sudden. But hey, we have screen cover. Oh, what if I make it screen uncover? Let me if P. So B 8. B 8. Okay. Let's try to make this one type 3. B. Something's wrong. I see. How about if we reverse the order? This one is the fast one and this one the slow one. The uncover feel weird. It's really feel weird. So let's make it like this. So when I go through the screen, it should invoke it automatically by making it uncovered before it teleports me. Then uncover when I'm teleported. Something like this. So instead of seeing him immediately get teleported, the screen fade out then fade in. So we done something today. And now I don't want to do anything anymore. Now, what I'm going to try to do is play with the system and somehow yeah, I need to move this folder to all of them now, to all my projects. Now what I want to do is to use the cover on cover crap to add a shade to the character, so the character who's talking should have some shade on him, and the character who's not talking, like this Gear 5. The character who's talking look normal. The character who's not talking should have some shade on him to have more focus. Even though this is obvious who's talking, having the silly avatar system here. I really love it. It feels like a real game for some reason. Yeah, we need to do that next. So first of all, actually I have a silly mistake in the last folder, in the last conversation. The guy who says goodbye, let me show you actually. The guy who say goodbye actually should be Hume, not Kant. So what we're going to do, we're going to fix that mistake. That's enough for today. Goodbye. See here, it should be Hume, not Kant. It's selected as Kant, and that's a problem. Save. Save. Do I have the shade? Yep, I do. Nope, I don't. So Hume is talking, so Kant should have shade. Kant is talking, so Hume should have shade. Actually, all the time Kant will keep talking except the first and the last one. But later on I can make it more complicated. Like adding different talker in the conversation. And that's another fiasco that I need to deal with. Campaign. So now, if we run the game, yep, perfect. Well, I'll take a break, another 10 minutes. Then I'll try to add a shade to the characters, but after that I have no clue what to do, to be honest. Oh yeah, I just done this. Maybe I will try to make the bullets have light effect, but before I can do that, I need to change how the classes behave and add more attributes to them. So when I go to the map simulator, everything that have a shader effect should have two variables. One is the shader type and the shader info. Crap. Maybe third tab for animation. For example, if we have an animation that have some sword clash or something, it should add some light effect. Man, that will be crap, a lot of info. I could do them by tag to make the game more dynamic, but I feel it should be hard-coded or data-driven, actually. So the first thing is I need to add a new group for effects, maybe a third page. and it is more complicated that it can accept different types of info, depends on the effects. Maybe I can categorize them like an effect with one vector, an effect with two vectors of data. In that way I can easily manage them in here. But yeah, I need yeah, why not? It will play a silly music, but why not? You might know the guy. I don't know, to be honest. How can I implement my shader system on the game engine is a big question. First of all, I need to determine what can give an effect and what's not. As I said, I could easily make it as a tag, but I don't want to add a tag every time I want to add an effect. It should be implemented with the entities that the engine is supporting. This is a huge step to the game engine, and to be honest, it's not required to the new game, so maybe I should delay that. Maybe I shouldn't work with the lights. And instead, maybe I should start working with the event system. The event system is God. I don't know even from where to start. Yeah, I was planning to make every background has a darkness value. It's a good idea. I just thought about it yesterday and I was like, well, what if I just add a cover and make it transparent and make it black, and yeah, that's much easier. So yeah, actually there's not a lot to do. So maybe I should quit the stream now, because all what I need to do, as I said, I'm going to reuse the shade values, the image. I'm going to scale it down and put it on the portrait and make the characters have more shadow with that. And I might reuse it for everything, for shades. Maybe make a light system based on objects like the old 3D games. I guess that's what I'm going to do. Depends on the game itself, as I said. Damn. So yeah, light effect. This should be delayed. This should be delayed. Because I don't think I'm going to use it to the new game. The new game is more like visual novel adventure, and it doesn't have a lot of lights. I don't think so. Even though it have mini games, I don't think so. So I need to decide. After using the shit, what should I do? Should I start working on the event system, or should I? Maybe I should work on the story and see what the guys came up with. So yeah, I want to end the video here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.